Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock Cicada in Garden Game of Roblox Summer Camp Event Update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the Cicada looks like, and before I show you the ability of this pet, I'm going to show you how you can unlock it. Basically you can do crafting first before you get this Cicada. You can hatch Cicada from the Campfire Egg. And to get the Campfire Egg, you need to go to the crafting bench and craft the Campfire Egg here when your fire reach tier 5. And you need the rare egg, mango seed, and also 1 billion shekels. And you will have 55% chance to hatch the Cicada. Now I'm going to show you guys how this pet works. I'm going to place it in my garden and I'm going to view it. Okay, this is an uncommon pet. Every 12 minutes lands on a plant and begins buzzing. The plant grow an additional 10 seconds every 10 stat every second for 10 stat. Yeah, basically it can make your plants grow faster. I think it's not really worth, guys. Oh my god. For the Campfire Egg, we need 1 billion shekels and also mango seed and also rare seed. And then we only get Cicada. Oh my god. I think it's not really worth. But yeah, from the Campfire Egg, you need, you have possibility to get this OP pet. Which is the, what is that? Firefly? I don't know. Oh, this one, Fire Wisp. This is very OP. Okay guys, and that's all about Cicada in Garden Game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!